Hi, we are going to begin lesson practice lesson practice for lesson 69, which is on millimeters. And I'm using the book so that we can have access to this really awesome and handy little ruler right here. But if you have a ruler that has millimeters and centimeters, most do, I encourage you to use it. The thickness of a dime is about 1 millimeter. So teeny, 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 about this much, so small. How many dimes would you need to stack to form a stack that is 1 centimeter high? So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it would take us 10 dimes to be 1 centimeter high. Now, write the length of this segment twice. They want it once in millimeters and once in centimeters. So we need to look at our segment here, and we'll start with the millimeters. This is 40 millimeters, and we're ending, it looks like we're ending it right here, which is the halfway point between 40 and 50. So that tells me that this is 45 millimeters. How do we deal with this in the centimeters? Well, remember, we look and we go and move our decimal over one to the left. Hopefully, I'm not sure. Hopefully you can get this because I'm not sure how my camera is. But we say 45 and we move our decimal point and plunk it right there. So 4 5/10 of a centimeter is our measurement right here. Now this one you need to think about. I love how Saxon does this. Each side of this square is 1 centimeter long. Ha 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 ha. What is the perimeter of this square in millimeters? I really, really love this when Saxon does this. So let's write this. 1 centimeter. But they want it in millimeters. So I'm going to go, I know right off the bat that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, and they want the perimeter. So 10, 10, 10, 10. This gives me 40 millimeters. Saxon couldn't fool us. Good job, guys. The next one, the diameter of a penny is about 19 millimeters. How many centimeters is that? Well, we don't have our measurement right in front of us, but I do know this. 19 millimeters. If I want to convert to centimeters, all I do is I take and I move my decimal point 1 to the left. So it is 1 9/10 of a centimeter. Or if I wanted to get really casual about it, I could say about 2 centimeters. But we're going to be precise here. And then finally, E. What's E? Yes, finally E. Write a decimal subtraction equation that shows how to find the length of x, y. Now, first off, we need to understand where x, y is. And that looks like right here. So between this number and this number. What do? First off, let's find out what wx is. And we're going to use centimeters this time around. Wx, this segment, equals, it looks like it equals 1 5/10 of a centimeter. Now, let's see what this amount is between wy. And that looks like it is, oh boy guys, I'm going to have to look through my, it looks like it's 3 2/10 of a centimeter. I'm hoping. So we take 3 2/10 and we subtract it from 1 5/10. And here we go. We're going to have to do some carrying. 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I'm assuming, based on our math, that this XY part is 1 7/10 of a centimeter, based on my calculations. And I'm going to look, and I think we're good. Finally, just when we thought we were getting millimeters and centimeters all right, they throw fractions in on us. But not a problem. We know how to deal with this. Write 3 4/10 of a centimeter as a fraction. I hope I haven't given it away for you. 3 4/10 of a centimeter. And this is why I'm really picky about how you express decimals. We don't say 3.4. It's 3 4/10. Well, we're finished with our practice set. Good luck on the homework. Holler if you have any questions. Have a good day.